When expecting, the home becomes a sanctuary for both mother and baby. It's crucial to maintain a clean environment, but not all cleaning products are safe for use during pregnancy. Many contain chemicals that can be harmful to a developing fetus. It's essential to be aware of these substances to ensure the safety and well-being of both mother and child. Common chemicals to steer clear of include ammonia, chlorine bleach, and certain solvents found in cleaning agents. These can pose risks such as respiratory issues, developmental problems, and other health concerns for both the mother and the unborn child. Thankfully, there are natural and homemade alternatives that are gentle yet effective. Ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can tackle most household cleaning tasks without the risks associated with harsh chemicals. White vinegar, for example, is a powerful disinfectant that can clean surfaces without leaving harmful residues. Baking soda is excellent for scrubbing and neutralizing odors, while lemon not only provides a fresh scent, but also has antibacterial properties. These natural alternatives are not only safer for pregnant individuals but also eco-friendly, reducing the household's chemical footprint. Additionally, they are often more economical than their commercial counterparts, making them a smart choice for families looking to save money. When choosing cleaning products, always read labels carefully. Look for products that are marked as non-toxic, biodegradable, and free from volatile organic compounds, VOCs. It's also wise to opt for fragrance-free options, as synthetic fragrances can contain phthalates, which are best avoided during pregnancy. If unsure, consult with a healthcare provider for recommendations on pregnancy-safe brands and products. While cleaning, ensure the area is well ventilated to minimize inhalation of any fumes. Wear gloves to protect the skin and never mix different cleaning agents, as this can create dangerous gases. Remember, it's okay to ask for help with household chores, especially when dealing with tasks that might involve exposure to potentially harmful substances. In conclusion, the health and safety of both mother and baby are paramount during pregnancy. By choosing and using safe cleaning products, one can maintain a clean home without compromising well-being. Embrace natural alternatives and stay informed to ensure a healthy pregnancy and a safe environment for your growing family.